Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by readying both devices, charge them, join the same Wi-Fi, and sign into Google on Android and Apple ID on iPhone. Once done, install the Move to iOS app on the Android device and update each operating system to the latest release. You do this because app compatibility and transfer tools require current software. Make sure you have enough iCloud space or a plan to purchase extra. That prevents interruptions during the transfer. You now perform the core transfer. Open Move to iOS on Android and tap Continue on both devices to display a temporary code on the iPhone. Once you enter that code on Android, the devices create a private Wi-Fi tunnel. This is why both must be on the same network. Next, pick the content types to copy, contacts, message history, photos, and Google account data, and tap Transfer. Expect time proportional to data size. Large photo libraries take longest. Finish by signing into accounts on the iPhone and re-downloading paid or free apps from the App Store. Copied apps aren't installed automatically. Once done, activate iMessage and FaceTime and disable Android services like Google Messages as needed to avoid message routing issues. If something goes wrong, reboot both phones, confirm Wi-Fi stability, and retry Move to iOS. If transfers still fail, free up iCloud space or split.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.